Welcome to Lesson Craft Studio. In today's video, we will be looking at how to create worksheets in our picture pathway app. Let's look at it. We create our worksheet and go to pathway configuration. Let's select the game mode. Our game mode is picture pathway. And we need to select here images, the starting image, and we select it from the topic or a theme. Let's choose, let's say, occupations. And the starting image would be an athlete. But before actually you do that, you need to delete the one which was given by the system itself by default. And we choose the athlete, and then we choose the end image. So the starting and the end point on our pathway. And after you choose the first point and the end point, you need to choose the pathing images and pathway images and the distractors. For each of those, you need to first delete what was given by default and then choose if you want to handpick inside of our library under a category. Then you delete the distractor images. Again, go and you choose the distractor image. You select the topic. And let's say our theme for distractors will be maybe flowers, and you handpick all the distractors needed. And then you press on Create button. And here you go, you have your starting point, your end point, where you can go on the path and what you should avoid. And you can create the answer key, of course. Let's change the game mode and make it a classic maze. So this is the classic maze in itself. And inside of it, you see the items which kids, while figuring out this maze, should be sort of collecting or counting, which makes this interesting. In the answer key, you see the whole path throughout the whole maze, how you start and how you end. Of course, as always, you can a little bit use your designing skills and move things around a little bit, make bigger, smaller, and adjust the way you want. You press on lock button, don't forget it, and then once you lock all the elements, you can individually work with each one of them. And let's look now at some of other settings in this maze. First of all, you can work on the size of the grid, and it could be, for example, bigger 20 by 20, and you can choose different color, you can choose different objects. Again, you first need to delete what was recommended or given by default, and after you've deleted those, you can go ahead, choose your category, and then handpick as many images as you want. It is recommended with 4, and then go to create and create worksheet. Now you see that this is a bigger scale and a bit more difficult maze with dinosaurs in it because we chose it as our topic, and the answer key shows you this whole pathway through. Let's try to go to a different game mode, and this is choose the right path. And this is another mode in it. It is also a maze, but here is you start and you need to understand where you will end your path. And our chosen topic was dinosaurs, and this is how it looks like. Let's try to change a little bit things and try to delete these dinosaurs and try to move to a different topic. Maybe that would be great to choose Christmas. So we are at this topic of Christmas, and we deleted what is given by default, and now we are handpicking some of the images. Let's say we did the Nutcracker, and we choose Santa, we choose the present, and now when everything appeared on our maze, of course each element you can move up, down, rotate, put in a different way, put in a different place, and do whatever you want to do with this. Now let's see further, and just a reminder that if you don't want to use anything from our library, you can always upload your own images from your own library.